Hi guys, today is Wednesday, April 29th, and I want to tell you a little bit about your assignments today. You are going to, for phonics, watch a phonics video, and then you can choose, you can do an episode of Head Sprout, or you can go to Spelling City, the link is right here, and click on Unit 30 and play a few games to practice this week. In reading and writing, you're going to read the book I Wanna Iguana. You're actually going to watch the story, so you'll click on this link right here so you can listen to I Wanna Iguana. As you're listening, I want you to think about the character Alex and the reasons that he uses to convince his mom that he should get a pet iguana. After that, I want you to think about if you could have any pet in the world, what would you want? Tomorrow we're going to write a letter about it, but today we're just going to get ideas down on this brainstorming sheet. So here's a little version of the brainstorming sheet right here, but I've also included a bigger version at the bottom of the lesson plans, towards the bottom, if you wanted to print it out yourself. It's sideways, so it fits a little bit better. So I want to show you mine. Obviously, if I could have any pet in the world, I would have a pet sloth. So I filled in the top with sloth. Then I thought about this question. Why would this be a good pet? And I wrote my ideas down why I think sloths would be a good pet. I thought it's so cute and wouldn't cause too much trouble because it is slow. Then I thought about this question. How would you take care of it? Well, I would give it food and water. I would give it a place to climb. And then this last question, what could you do with this pet? I would hug this pet all day. It would make me smile if I was sad. So this is your brainstorming sheet. You don't have to send me a picture of this because you're going to use this information tomorrow to help you write your letter. So complete this and then save it to help you for tomorrow. You can either print it out like I said, or you can just draw 3 boxes in your notebook and look at the questions and answer them to help you collect your thoughts. You're also today, go back up to the lessons, just so we don't forget. You're going to read for about 15 to 20 minutes. And today you can choose any books you want, Epic, Raz Kids, books that you have at home, any book that you would like. All right, have a great day learning, guys. Talk to you soon.